Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing something a little bit different, and I am going to be cleaning up my filming area. It's pretty bad right now, and I'm kind of embarrassed to show it, but you know, you gotta have good results, so I gotta show you what it started out as. Let me turn this around really fast so you can see what we're dealing with. This is my filming area right now. It is, really messy. So, we're gonna be cleaning this today and organizing it and maybe wiping off the makeup to clean it up. We're gonna sort the brushes in clean and dirty. A lot of them are already sorted. I just have to, you know, put them all together in one bin. But anyway, say hello. Hi, Tippers. Hello. Say hello. You're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. And my backdrop is on the ground right now because I took it down because I wanted to use that for my last video. Also, I just realized that I didn't have my mic plugged in for my last video, so that kind of sucks. So if you guys noticed a difference in audio, that is why, and I'm sorry. If you guys would like me to do a clean all my brushes video, I'll do that as well. If you guys would like it, let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna speed all of this up so that this video won't be, you know, probably 2 hours long. So, let's do this. we are done. Everything is organized and cleaned and wiped down. Let me zoom out and show you guys. So here we are. Everything is cleaned. Everything is, for the most part, cleaned and organized again. And that is it. Whew, y'all, I am sweating. Listen, don't come for me. It may not look like I was doing much in the video, but I was. Okay? There's a lot of running back and forth in between clips, and yeah. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like, and let me know what other videos you would like to see in the future down below. Maybe some cleaning series, maybe an organizing series. I'm not sure. Whatever you guys want, let me know in the comments below. And again guys, try and stay positive during this crazy time right now that we're living through. And also, please don't forget to go check out my other channel. It's called Josie K. It doesn't come up in the search bar yet. We're too little. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers before I post a video over there. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. I love y'all. Bye! Mwah!